we don't have time and we want to look hot. I got you. Hi everyone, it's me, Eva, and welcome back to my channel. Next Friday, my single is dropping.
Just kidding, guys. True Love is actually out now, so check out the description box. Bye!
I think it's my favorite one. If you don't know, I make music. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you want to be in the moment. I usually connect so much more on Instagram with my followers. It's so fun. We actually have conversations. I love it. So if you want to like DM me, ask me whatever you want, you can go there on my IG. But let's talk about today's video. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always in a hurry. Always. Like, I'm always late. So I thought, why not do a makeup tutorial for when you had zero time but still want to look hot. Let's start with the makeup. Skin prep is something you can't skip. Even if you had zero time, you have to do skin prep. So I already applied. No, I didn't. I forgot. I am going to apply this from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a rich cream, really perfect for dry skin, especially during winter. And I already applied this one. It's for the eyes. Now let's start with the base. Since we don't have time, I'm going to mix every concealer I have. We're not going to use foundation because it's too much work. We don't want to work today. One is brightening for my blue eye bags, as you can tell. One is a light shade and one is a medium shade because I have a neutral to warm undertone, so it's hell for me to find the perfect match. The medium color, a dot here. Let's just go with the blender. You see how that made the exact shade of my face? I know you don't have time, but I can't skip this. A little bit of bronzer, always with the sponge. It's really fast and easy. And since we don't have time to do eyeshadows and stuff, I'm actually putting the liquid bronzer also on my eyelid, like this. I also like to blend it with a fluffy brush to also kinda bring it down here. Here's the result. Now take a blush, whatever blush you like. I'm using this one, and with a brush just buff it all over my cheekbone for this natural yet cute look. I love blush, and this shade is so pretty. This one is from Essence Baby Girl blush in oh god, in tan. Oh god, I don't know if you can read it, but it's in tan. Since I don't actually have to do my brows, as you can see, I'm going to use that time that I would use for the brows to add a little bit of powder blush. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is gonna really set the blush, so you won't have to worry anymore. It's important for me, but I'm going to take this white shadow and put it here because this really makes your eye pop. And I'm gonna put it also here. See how awakened my eyes look? Since we don't have time to do eyeliners, you have to curl your lashes. Lashes are curled. Now it's time for mascara. I'm using this one from Charlotte. This one is really easy to use because the formula is so creamy, and it's just like, look at it. You don't need much time to build it because it already does all the work. So that's why I chose this mascara for today's video. Not sponsored, I wish, because I love Charlotte Tilbury. I genuinely love this mascara because look at the difference. And here's a little trick that I always do when I don't have time to do an eyeliner, but I still want a little shadow here. I just take a brown pencil. This is actually for, oh yeah, this is an eyeliner, and I do it like that. I'm gonna write something here. With my finger, I make the wing. It's really easy and it's really cute. Now for the lips, we don't need a lip liner. We can just use this balm. I'm using this one. It's really cute. I love this shade so much. And it's like a jelly. I just put it all over my lips. And if you want like a little bit of color, I use this other one. What is happening to my voice? I use the other one in another shade to just. Why can't I open it? Okay. And I use this shade. I know it's crazy. This color is crazy, but it's really cute. Watch it. Only here and here. I live for this lip combo. It looks so pretty. Look at it. No lip liner. It's really cute and looks so natural. Here's the final look, guys. So natural, so easy, so fast. This lip combo to die for. I love it. It's so natural, and I love that I didn't use a lip liner, because sometimes we use too much lip liners, you know. Like, comment and subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget about my music. If you want to see more of me, more videos, I make makeup hacks on Instagram. They're so useful, you should check them. And nothing. Thank you so much for watching this video.